Are you sick and tired of all the hassle of today's location sharing apps? Texting and calling your friends asking to share location with you? Or struggling learning how to use it or share your location? Are you tired of switching apps to send your location to the other caller on a call? Have you ever come for a meeting only to find no one is there? Should you wait or leave? Have you ever wondered where your spouse may be to catch up for a quick lunch? Have you ever wondered whether your kids are at school during the day? Introducing InCircle, a smart contact app that allows you to locate people in your contact or share your location on demand with only a few taps. Absolutely no calling, no texting, and no cumbersome sharing process. You also get powerful communication tools for chat messaging and media sharing, free video calling to anyone, anywhere in the world, meetup scheduling with arrival alerts and location tracking so you never miss a meeting. These tools are fully integrated to remove the burden of app switching and navigating between them when you need to multitask. Together, InCircle app removes the anxiety of the unknowns and allows you to reach out to people in your life easier, like never before. Are you ready to make your life easier? Then you'd better be InCircle. Visit InCircle.com to download the app for free trial today.